Buddha Jayanti in Nepali refers to the celebration of the Buddha's birthday, which is a significant event in Buddhism. It's commonly celebrated with various religious ceremonies, prayers, meditation sessions, and acts of kindness. People often visit temples and monasteries to offer prayers and make offerings. It's a time for reflection on the Buddha's teachings and their relevance in modern life. Above words in Nepali. Some common practices include visiting Buddhist temples and monasteries. People often visit sacred sites like Swyambhu, and Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha, to offer prayers, light butter lamps, and make offerings, participating in religious ceremonies. Special prayers, chanting of Buddhist scriptures, and religious ceremonies are conducted in monasteries and temples across the country. Engaging in acts of kindness. Many people use Buddha Jayanti as an opportunity to perform acts of kindness, such as donating food, clothes, or money to the less fortunate. Meditation and reflection. Individuals often take time to reflect on the teachings of Buddha and engage in meditation to cultivate inner peace and mindfulness. Cultural events. Various cultural programs, including traditional dances, music performances, and exhibitions related to Buddhism. Overall, Buddha Jayanti is a time for Nepalese people to come together, honor the teachings of Buddha, and reflect on the importance of compassion, peace, and enlightenment in their lives.